Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about ferro rod maintenance. Now, first of all, there's really not a lot of maintenance needed if you take care of it. It's like any other tool. You take care of your tools, they take care of you. I have this beautiful set here made with apple wood by my brother Jack over at Redneck Renegade, with a Nathan 4071 El Quattro and a high-speed striker. And I believe he made this from a tree that was in his mom's yard, which makes this even more special. So, let's just say you get some chatter marks, which we all do now and then. And I'm sure you already know how to do this, but you can take a file and you can file them out. You can get a piece of sandpaper and you could sand them out. Or if you want to be aggressive, you could use a belt sander. Now, as far as when you're using them and you scrape the paint off, some people like to coat them. You could use Vaseline. You could put a light coating of oil on it. If you don't have Johnson's paste wax at home, you need to get some of this stuff. This is good for plastic, wood, metal, leather. It's just awesome stuff. You could take a little bit of this, you could put it on here, and then when you go to use it again, the wax will just add to the inferno. You could also use the wax on the handles. Now, if you want something a little bit more durable, you can get some of this super blue. All right, you're going to want to wear a glove. You get a little bit of this super blue because the rod itself has iron in it. Just trying to get a little bit so you could see. Now watch this. See that silver? Just start rubbing it on. See, it's starting to darken? Now you can use paint also, but I find this super blue works really great. See that? So it works basically like it works on a gun. You're actually pre-rusting it, okay? So after you do that, you just get a little bit of water, wash it off, dry it off, and you're good to go. Which reminds me, coming up either later today or tomorrow, I have a El Quattro that I actually refinished the whole rod. I kind of made it look brand new again, and I might be giving it away. So be on the lookout for that. And thanks for joining me today. I hope you found a couple of these tips useful. I hope you all are staying well. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, because I appreciate you all. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next one.